In this tutorial, we will see the macro using multiple if conditions. Earlier we have seen only one if condition. Now we are going to see multiple if conditions. So my target is to write a program to accept when the employee age and employee salary meets together. That is, if the employee age is greater than 30 and if the salary is less than 4 lakhs, then the employee is eligible for bonus. Else, either of the condition is not met, then I should get a display as no bonus declared. Hope the concept is clear, friends. So now let's move on to writing the program. So for writing the program, we will go on to the Alt F11 and we will be reaching onto the VBA where we will be writing our coding. So the coding will be sub. So this I'll keep as an example. 3 open bracket and close bracket. Then now I'm allowed to write the coding. Now I'm going to give my declaration, that is employee age is equals to input box double quote enter employee age double quotes, then close the bracket. Then employee salary is equals to input box one bracket double quote enter employee salary. Now I have done with giving the declaration, that is the employee age and salary. I am going to define the condition. If my employee age is greater than 30, then if employee salary less than 4 lakhs. Hi friends, I feel honored for watching my videos and encouraging me to do more and more videos. For viewers who haven't subscribed the channel, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as more and more videos are uploaded on daily basis. Show me the message box as bonus allowed. Else show me as message box bonus not allowed. Friends, in our earlier video we have seen when we have used if, then automatically the else followed. Okay, it has ended with an if. So now I am going to use the end if. Then now I have done with the first condition of if, that is if, else, and if. Now I have the another if, and now I have to give the else. So here already I have the message typed. I am going to use the same. Then again use and if. and if. Now I'm done with my total coding. Let's see by executing the code. Enter employee age. Age. First, let's try with the age greater than 30. So I'm taking 31. Then enter employee salary. So employee salary less than 4 lakhs. So I'm taking 3,99,999. So eligible for bonus. Let's see the other example. Earlier case we have seen age greater than 30. So now let's see age at 29 and salary greater than 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs 1 rupee. So none of the conditions met. So it's showing bonus not allowed. Hope you like the video, friends.